City was the farmers' land, not any other organization. Then after my 6-7 years research work, I found only Deshi cow dung will give the answer. Because I found in 1 gram of Deshi cow dung, you will get minimum 300 crore. 300 crore means near about 3,000 million beneficial effective microbes. Up to 500 crore, that means 5,000 million beneficial effective microbe. This was a tremendous strength of the microorganisms, and all the microorganisms were beneficial effective microorganisms which are responsible in the conversion process non-available into available form. So I thought only ultimate is the Deshi cow dung. Then what will be the quantity? Because I was seeing that tractor load FOM, they were purchasing farmers from villages, and they were utilizing in the farm to take one crop 18 cartload FOM. It is not possible for common man, common farmer, because he has no capacity to purchase it, purchasing capacity. So what will be the minimum input? But production will not reduce. I started my research work. I have taken for 1 acre land in my experiments 1,000 kilo gobar cow dung, Deshi cow dung. Second plot 900 kg, third plot 800 kg, fourth plot 700 kg, another plot 600, 500 kg, 400 kg, 300 kg, 250 kg, 200 kg, 180, 160, 140, 120, 100 kg, 90, 80, 70 kg, 60 kg, 50 kg, 40 kg, 30 kg, 20 kg, 9 to 1 kg. And everywhere I replicated. I have changed the quantity and taken the experiments. After near about 8 years research, I found there is no need of truckload FOM or cow dung manure, no need. No need even 1000 kg of the dung, no need of even 900 kg also, no 800 kg, no 700 kg, no 600 kg, no 500 kg, even no 100 kg, no 50 kg, no 40 kg, no 30 kg, no 20 kg. Only 10 kg cow dung is required for 1 acre, once a month, because I have taken variable quantities. 8 years on every crop. There was a big research and there was a table work, tremendous table work. I expended my 18-hour work in a 24 hours in a day, and ultimately I found that no necessity of any input from it externally. Only maybe irrigated land, maybe not irrigated land.